Hello everyone, welcome to Travelingbeats. I am standing at Marathahalli Bridge and today we are going to see the construction updates of Namma Metro from Marathahalli Bridge till KR Pura. This is part of the Phase 2A Blue Line and the section is Kadubeesanahalli to KR Puram and the length of this section is 9.85 km. In this video, I'm only covering from Marathahalli Bridge till KR Puram. In one of my other videos, I'll cover from Marathahalli Bridge to Kodibeesanahalli towards Central Seaport. I just drove down the ramp and is on Outer Ring Road right now. At most places on this stretch, pillar construction work is done and only at certain stretches piling work is going on. In some places, girders has also been launched or are in the process of being launched. This section is completely elevated and would consist of 7 stations. The name of the stations are Kodibeesanahalli, Marathahalli, ISRO, Doddanekundi, DRDO Sports Complex, Saraswathi Nagar, KR Pura. Construction works for this section is being done by Shankara Narayana Constructions Private Limited. Little ahead, there is a railway line and the road passes as an underpass and the metro train line will have to pass over it. Not sure if Namma Metro is going to put a girder box like they have put in the Baiyappanahalli to KR Puram section. BMRCL's current Phase 2A completion deadline is for June 2025. Even if the section between KR Puram and Central Seaport opens by June 2025, it would give a good coverage to eastern Bangalore. This part of the ring road has a good presence of IT companies or other companies, which would help a lot of commuters to come to their office hassle-free when it is open. Alright, be with us and enjoy the ride. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to our channel Travelingbeats, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for regular updates. We are about to reach KR Puram metro station and ahead you should be able to see the Whitefield metro line. Once this section of metro is completed, you should be able to see a crisscrossing of different metro lines and the flyover which goes from KR Puram towards Mahadevapura. KR Puram station would be one of the hub of Namma Metro where the purple line and the blue line would meet. Once the entire sections are completed and the communication is open towards all the directions, this has the potential to change the face of KR Puram. That's it for today. Please let us know how did you like the video through your comments, likes and shares. And please subscribe to our channel Travelingbeats and click on the bell icon for future updates. We see you again.